Assembly empowers you as a leader of an engineering or product team to keep everyone on the same page with better stand-up meetings. It's quick and easy to set them up. Click Add a new flow in the left navigation and select the stand-up meeting template from the template library. Click Use this template to start making it your own. Set the schedule for the flow by selecting a start date and time and selecting when you would like it to repeat. Lastly, select what time zone you would like for this flow to be triggered in. Next, select who would like to be a participant in this flow. For stand-up meetings, it's best to select your whole team as participants. Now it's time to adjust the flow's visibility. To maintain transparency and accountability for your stand-up meetings, it's best to go with participants only. Take a look through the template questions and update them to fit your team's needs. And when you're done, create the flow.